Hi, I'm Kim Trouton, and today we're here to talk about buying your dream vacation home. Living in Charlotte means I'm 3 hours away from Charleston, where I own a vacation property. I have a realtor partner there. I work there 1 week a month. We are selling a great deal of properties because the demand for vacation homes is so high right now. I also have contacts and resources for all the Carolina beaches. I manage my own property, creating a brand and a luxury experience, but I also have experience with property management and I can advise. One of the best things you can do is build a brand for your vacation property. That will make it more profitable and more likely to be rented. Furnishing and setting up a vacation rental property is very different than your own home, and I can advise you on that. We call our property a money tree because not only does it pay for itself, but it's a fabulous investment property even after expenses. So remember, there's rules about vacation and rental properties. Depending on what your goals are, if you're going to keep it for your own personal use or you're going to rent it out, you'll need to make sure that you check with the IRS to see what you need to do. I can help with that. So if having a vacation home is something that piques your interest, reach out to me. I'd love to talk to you. I can tell you about my own experience and I can advise you to make the best decision.